Trying to get your business expenses under control can be a huge headache, especially when you're just starting out or working solo. You've probably heard of Expensify, one of the top tools for expense management, and the big question always is, does it offer a free version? The short answer is, yes, Expensify has a free tier. But, and this is important, it's not an unlimited version of their full platform. It's primarily geared toward individual users, freelancers, or sole proprietors who need basic expense tracking. So what do you actually get for free? The main feature you get without paying a dime is the SmartScan receipt scanning. You can scan an unlimited number of receipts using the mobile app or by emailing them in. Expensify's tech pulls out the merchant, date, and amount, saving you a ton of manual data entry time. This alone is a major win for tax time organization. The free version also lets you track distance, like mileage for tax deductions, and manually enter expenses. You can also export your expense data as a spreadsheet or CSV anytime. This is perfect if you're a freelancer tracking expenses to give to your accountant, or just managing your own personal or LLC expenses. Now, for the key distinction, the free features are for tracking and organizing. They do not include the more advanced workflow features designed for teams. What do you miss out on in the free version? You won't get automated features like automatic reimbursement for employees, direct connections to accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, or features like custom expense categories, tags, or team collaboration tools. These are the paid features that make it a full-fledged enterprise expense management system. So, if you're a sole proprietor or need to track personal expenses for tax purposes, the free version of Expensify is an incredibly powerful tool. It gives you the core scanning and tracking engine. If you're running a small business with multiple employees who need to submit reports and get reimbursed automatically, you'll need one of their paid collect or control plans. Bottom line, Expensify gives you the fundamental automation for free, which is perfect for individuals looking to ditch the shoebox full of receipts. Give the free version a try to streamline your record keeping, and you can always upgrade later if your business grows and your needs expand.